right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, draw the hands in towards the heart and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out, taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up to shoulder height. The arms float down. The knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door. The start of the journey. All right, one more time. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the wrists cross right in front of the heart, and then press out to the sides, creating space. So breathing in, breathing out. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Pressing out to the sides, one more time, creating space. And then from here, the hands float down, the palms face forward, the hands scoop all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. The bathing breath. So breathing in as the hands float up, breathing out, the hands float down right in front of the body. As if we're gathering in this healing energy, letting it wash through the body. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. And then circle the arms in front, hugging the tree, rounding out the arms, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the fingertips point down as you soften down towards the earth. The hands come forward, all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body, digging in the garden. Softening down just as much as you can comfortably. Rising up one more time, digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands floating up and over, out and down. As we harvest from the garden. Big circle with the hands. One more time. And then round out the arms in front, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth. So circle the hands around as if your hands are lightly resting on the moon. Just going for the ride. And then reverse direction. The moon orbits the earth. All right, one more time. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it back to center. From here, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top. Embrace the moon, pivot on the heel, toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth. Once again, circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body. Then reverse direction with the hands. Circle around. One more time. And then from here, hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the hands draw in towards the heart and then press out to the sides. The hands draw back in, press out to the other side. The dragon stretches its tail. This time you can tap the opposite foot out to the side, gently tapping the toes. Step back in, other side, tapping the toes out to the side. This time you can tap the toes in front like you're testing out the water. Bring them back in, other side, tap out in front. This time you can tap behind. Other side. And you can continue to step behind, or you can step diagonally behind for some more challenge. All right, one more time, the dragon stretches its tail. And then hug the tree out in front. Shift all your weight over to one side. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. And then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw in, and then shift forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. And then draw the hands in. This time the palms face up, scooping the hands into the sea. The hands float up to the sky. The hands spiral out and away, becoming one with sea and sky. Shifting back as you open and breathing. One more time, becoming one with the sea and the sky. And then step the front foot back in. The hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Bringing mindfulness to the body. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face up. The hands dip into the sea. The hands float up, connecting to the sky, and then open. Scooping under, rising up, spiraling the hands out and away, becoming one with sea and sky. Breathing in, breathing out one more time. Beautiful. Step the front foot back in, hug the tree right out in front. Take your time. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel, pointing the foot to the corner, bring it back in. Shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. All right, this time stay with me. One hand over the foot, the other hand makes a fist, drawing the fist in towards the center. Other side, tap the heel, hand over the foot, the other hand fist under elbow. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, fist under elbow. And then step in, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. They circle all the way up and over and around, turning the wheel. Staying tall or softening down as the hands come down for more challenge. Breathing in, breathing out. And then reverse direction, circling up and over and around. Turning the wheel. You can always stay tall or softening down. All right, one more time, turning the wheel. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just moving nice and slow, feeling the sensations. One more time, parting the wild horse's mane. And then this time, making two loose fists as you catch the moon. Bottom fist comes up, the other one comes down. Circle it around again. The lazy monk lies on pillow, like you're pulling up the covers. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. The lazy monk lies on pillow. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the other corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. The other hand floats down. Circle around again, parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time. Nice and slow. All right, this time making 2 loose fists. Catch the moon, and then pull up the covers. Circle it around again. The lazy monk lies on pillow. Breathing in, breathing out. So pretty much the same motion, just with 2 fists. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Step 1 foot all the way in. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Shift back and cross the wrists. Hinge from the hips. The arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again. Shift forward and open. The butterfly. Keeping the spine nice and tall. You don't have to go very low. Just a nice gentle stretch. One more time on this side, the butterfly. It's like a bow of gratitude. Then coming back up. From here, step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. And then shift all your weight over to one side, step in, step out to the other corner, arms open, front knee bends. Then the front knee begins to straighten, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides, the butterfly. Cross the wrists as you come forward and open. Moving nice and slow, hinging from the hips. Coming forward, one more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings. Cross the wrists and open. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, the hands come together in prayer position right in front of the heart. As you breathe in, the arms float out to the sides. And as you breathe out, the hands come back together in front of the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the heart opening breath. Breathing in, open. Breathing out. One more time, the heart opening breath. And then from here, the arms float down, they circle out to the sides, then they float down, palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand here floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by your sides. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. It's feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me. The next step is to download your free monthly clickable calendar for daily Tai Chi videos so that you can develop a consistent practice. Just click the first link in the video description below to download your free Tai Chi calendar, and I'll see you in the next video.